What's up everybody? It's your girl Glenda and you are watching another episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. If you want to be part of the G Squad family, all you have to do is click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell to get notified every time we upload a video. So on today's video, I'm showing you how I make my honey butter cornbread. The cheating way. I say that because we getting some help from Sister Martha White.
Now you make it.
From Sister Martha White. She has some sweet yellow cornbread mix. We are going in with 2 or 3. I'm just trying to figure that out. I don't know yet. I'm going in with 2 packages thus far. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with 3. And hope that's not too much. Alrighty, so there's our cornbread right there. I'm gonna just kind of get those, a lot of those lumps and stuff, get that out. And we're gonna do 3 eggs because Martha says we need 1 egg per package. So we're gonna do 3 eggs. And one of the things I do different, you can, at this point, you know, you can add buttermilk or however you make your cornbread. Again, I'm showing you the way I'm making the honey butter cornbread. So I'm going in with some canned milk. Yep, if you have Great Value, if you have, you know, your local HEB brand, fine. This came from Sam's, so that's why it's Carnation, but it's all the same difference, you guys. I have gone in with almost the full 12-ounce can. Probably a quarter of it left. So you just want to give that a mix, a good mix. And I've also melted a stick of butter. A stick of butter that I'm going in with the full stick of butter. This is real butter. Going in with the full stick. Put this to the side. We have that pan. We're just gonna spray this with some Pam. Normally, I put a little bit of oil or something in the bottom, and I heat this up, the pan up, and bring it back out, and then yeah, I'm not doing all that today. We have some Pam. We're gonna spray this bad boy real good with some Pam good cooking spray. Whatever type of cooking oil you have is going to be fine. And then you're gonna take it and pour it right on in. I'm gonna take my whisk and turn this around. Sorry if you cannot see, but I need to be able to see so I can get the rest of this out. And golden brown should take about 20 minutes or so. So I'm gonna meet you at the stove and show you how I do my honey butter. Be right back. Okay, so we are back. Our cornbread is in the oven. Let's make our honey butter. I've got a stick of butter for this saucepan. And I'm also using some Texas raw unfiltered honey. Whatever honey you have is fine. Just make sure it's real honey and not like honey sauce. I think that it won't come out right if it's just honey sauce. So what you want to do is get your butter, melt it down, and you want to get that like frothiness to the butter once it's melted down real good. Just gonna melt that butter. I have this on like a medium heat, medium high heat, just so we can melt down this butter real good. So we're good, we're good. Now I'm going in with some honey. Y'all know I don't measure, so we're gonna say that was about 1/4 of a cup right there. A couple of fourths of a cup. And you just gonna give that a mix. It's gonna turn a little brown on you. Now, if you want to get fancy with it, if you want to be fancy, you can add you like a teaspoon of vanilla to this. If you want to be fancier, you can add some brown sugar to this. OM to the G. It would add so much more to this honey. That tastes pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more honey to this. You gotta taste your food, y'all. If you don't taste your food to know what you got going on, what are you really doing? So we are back with our honey butter cornbread. Here is our finishing cornbread, our finished cornbread. Let me take one away. All right. There we go. We're gonna go ahead. Normally, I don't cut into this until after I put the butter, but I'm gonna cut into it right now so that when we add the honey butter, excuse me you guys, it gets, as stovetop kisses would say, that honey butter get all socked up in there. All right, and then here is our honey butter that we made earlier, and I'm gonna just start off with basting the top. We got some little bit of clarified butter on there, but this is still pull one out of here for y'all. Let me get a spatula. There we go. Some of them are just too thick to get. I'm gonna pull this corner piece off of here. I didn't cut all the way. And I'm gonna set that up right there for you. Look at that cornbread. Look at that honey. It's socked up in there. Come on, y'all. It's really socked up in there. I know that's not my saying. That's stovetop kisses. But this honey butter is truly socked up in this cornbread. Oh my gosh. Eat it. I gotta take a taste. I got to. I did that right there. Oh my God. Babe, come here. Come try it. Oh my God. Like this is almost a dessert, y'all. Oh.
It tastes like Turkish chicken. They're biscuits if you put the honey on it.
Look at his face. Oh my gosh.
Finger looking good.
That is delicious.
And I love it.
That is delicious. Thank you for your taste test. So, if you want to see more recipes like this, make sure that you click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and so that you're notified every time we upload a video. We want to thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you. We will see you next time on Whatcha Cookin, Glenda.